Welcome to the Citra21 channel, your gateway for exciting and engaging content. Join us for an exciting journey. Subscribe for the latest video release. In this digital era, app development has emerged as one of the most lucrative avenues for innovation and entrepreneurship. Picture this: you have a groundbreaking idea for a mobile or web application, one that could potentially revolutionize the way we interact with technology. But where do you start? How do you turn that spark of genius into a tangible, profitable product? Whether you are a complete novice or a seasoned developer, the world of app development can be a thrilling and rewarding adventure. It's a space where creativity meets functionality, where ideas come to life. From the initial brainstorming stage to the final phase of coding and testing, each step of the journey offers its own unique set of challenges and rewards. In the next few minutes, we will walk you through the exciting world of app development. Stay tuned. The first step in app development is the generation of an idea, a unique, innovative concept that solves a problem or fills a need. Now, you might be wondering, where do these ideas come from? Well, they can come from anywhere. It could be a problem you've encountered in your daily life, or perhaps a service you wish existed. The key is to keep your eyes and ears open, always be receptive to the world around you. During this stage, brainstorming becomes your best friend. Let your mind wander, jot down any and all ideas that come your way. There are no bad ideas at this point. Once you've gathered a collection of ideas, it's time to evaluate their potential. Consider the feasibility, the target market, and the competition. Does your idea have what it takes to stand out in the crowded app market? Once you have a solid idea, it's time to move on to the next step: planning your app. Planning is a crucial part of the app development process. It involves detailing the features, design, and functionality of your app. Indeed, planning is the blueprint of your app's journey from conception to reality. It's where you set the stage for the entire development process. A well-planned app is like a well-mapped treasure hunt. It leads you to the goal without unnecessary detours. The first step in app planning is determining your target audience. Who will use your app? What problems will it solve for them? Understanding your audience's needs and preferences will help you design an app that's intuitive, useful, and engaging. It's like tailoring a suit. The better you know the wearer, the better the fit. Next, you'll want to outline the features of your app. This is the time to let your creative juices flow. What unique features will your app have that sets it apart from the rest? Maybe it's a virtual reality feature for a game app, or a smart notification system for a productivity app. Remember, the sky's the limit. Once you've listed your features, it's time to sketch out your app's user interface. This is where you decide how your app will look and feel. Will it have a minimalist design or a vibrant color scheme? Will it use touch gestures or voice commands? Planning your user interface is like setting the stage for a play. You're creating the environment where your app's story will unfold. But remember, while planning, it's important to stay flexible. Like any journey, the path to a successful app often involves unexpected twists and turns. So, be prepared to adapt your plan as you go along. Finally, remember that planning isn't just about the start of your app's journey. It's a continuous process that goes hand in hand with development. As you build your app, you'll refine your plan, adding new features, tweaking the design, and improving the functionality. With a detailed plan in place, you're ready to dive into the exciting world of coding. Coding is where your app starts to come to life. On this stage involves writing the programming language that makes your app function. But what does that really mean? Well, think of coding as the secret language of your app. It's the series of commands that tell your app what to do, how to do it, and when. Now, there are many languages to choose from when it comes to coding. For mobile app development, you might use Swift for iOS or Java for Android. For web apps, you could use JavaScript, PHP, or Python. Each language has its strengths and weaknesses, and the choice often depends on what you're trying to achieve with your app. Swift, for instance, is known for its speed and efficiency, making it a popular choice for complex iOS apps. Java, on the other hand, is versatile and widely used, making it a safe bet for Android development. JavaScript, PHP, and Python are all powerful languages for web development, each with their own unique features. But don't worry if you're not a coding expert just yet. There are plenty of resources out there to help you learn. Online platforms like Codecademy, Coursera, and Udemy offer courses in various programming languages. You can also find a wealth of free tutorials and guides on sites like Stack Overflow and GitHub. Remember, coding is a process. It's about problem solving, creativity, and persistence. It's normal to encounter challenges along the way. You might write a piece of code that doesn't work or find a bug that's hard to squash. But don't let that discourage you. Each challenge is a learning opportunity. And once you've written your code, your app isn't quite ready to go live. There's still an important step to take: testing. Testing is crucial to ensure your app works as expected and provides a smooth user experience. In the next stage, we'll delve into the ins and outs of app testing. After coding, it's time to test your app to ensure it works seamlessly. The journey from idea to app is a thrilling one, and you're well on your way. So stay tuned as we continue to guide you through this exciting world of app development. Testing and debugging are crucial steps in the app development process. Here, you'll identify and fix any issues before your app goes live. Let's dive into the importance of these steps. Testing is like the quality control department of your app development process. It's where you get to check if your app performs as expected in real-world conditions. You look for any bugs, errors, or hiccups that could potentially ruin the user experience. It's like a dress rehearsal before the actual performance, ensuring that your app is ready for its debut in the app market. There are various types of tests you can run. Unit tests check individual components of your app. Think of it as testing each actor separately before a play. Then, we have integration tests. These are like full dress rehearsals, checking how your app's different components work together. And don't forget about user acceptance tests. It's like a preview show where you invite a small audience to use your app and provide feedback. This feedback is invaluable as it gives you a glimpse of how your app will fare in the real world. Now, let's talk about debugging. Debugging is the detective work in your app development process. It's where you find the culprits causing issues and fix them. You might have a button that's not responding, a feature that's acting up, or a screen that's freezing. Whatever the issue, debugging helps you get to the root of it. There are many debugging tools available that can help you diagnose and solve these issues. These tools are like your magnifying glass and detective hat, aiding you in your investigation. They can help you step through your code line by line to find where things are going wrong. Remember, the goal here is not just to squash bugs, but to understand why they happened in the first place. This understanding can help you prevent similar issues from cropping up in the future, making your app more robust and reliable. Once your app has been thoroughly tested and debugged, it's ready to be launched. So, gear up for the big day. The curtain is about to rise and it's your app's time to shine. Launching your app is a thrilling moment. But how do you turn this launch into a profitable venture? Well, it all comes down to monetization strategies. One of the most popular ways to monetize your app is through advertising. Whether it's banner ads, video ads, or native ads, this strategy can generate a steady stream of revenue if you have a high user base. But what if you want to keep your app ad-free? You can opt for in-app purchases where users pay for additional features or content. It's a great way to add value to your app and incentivize users to spend. And then there's the subscription model. Users pay a recurring fee for access to your app or certain features. It might be a tough sell at first, but with the right value proposition and user experience, it could prove to be a goldmine. And there you have it, a simple guide to turning your app idea into a profitable venture. We've walked you through the exciting world of app development, from idea generation to launch and monetization. We've shown you the ropes, the tricks, and the expert advice to turn your app idea into reality. It's an exhilarating journey filled with creativity, problem solving, and endless possibilities. The potential for profit in this digital realm is substantial. So, why wait? Start building your app empire today. Don't forget to subscribe and share while still free for public. Thanks for watching Citra21 channel, making money, app creator, mobile apps, web apps.